Welcome to Why Be Curious, the channel where curiosity meets the unknown. If you've ever looked up at the stars, pondered the depths of the ocean, or wondered about the strange phenomena that exist in our universe, this is the place for you. Today, we'll dive into the top 5 scientific mysteries that are still unresolved. These are questions that have baffled scientists for centuries and continue to inspire awe, fear, and wonder. From the enigma of dark matter to the mind-boggling power of black holes, the questions we'll explore are some of the most mind-blowing and captivating. These unsolved mysteries not only challenge our understanding of physics, biology, and the cosmos, they also push us to reimagine what we know about reality itself. Ready to jump into the unknown? Let's explore the mysteries of the universe that might just leave you speechless. 1. What is dark matter? Our first stop on this mind-bending journey takes us to the invisible, yet incredibly powerful, phenomenon of dark matter. You might be asking, what's so mysterious about matter? Well, dark matter is unlike anything we can see or touch. In fact, it's completely invisible. Scientists have determined that dark matter makes up about 85% of the mass in the universe, but it doesn't interact with light in the same way regular matter does, making it almost impossible to detect. But how do we know it exists? Through its gravitational effects. Dark matter's presence is inferred by the way galaxies move and the way gravitational forces act on them. Without it, the universe would look very different from how it appears today. In fact, without dark matter, galaxies would fly apart due to the lack of gravitational pull. So, what exactly is dark matter? Is it some form of exotic particle we've yet to discover? Some scientists believe that dark matter might be made up of particles called WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles. But so far, no one has been able to capture or directly observe dark matter. 2. What's inside a black hole? Moving on to another fascinating mystery, let's talk about black holes. Those mysterious cosmic giants that trap everything, even light, within their grasp. Black holes are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, creating an infinitely dense point known as a singularity. The boundary around a black hole is called the event horizon, the point of no return. But here's the kicker. We don't really know what's inside a black hole. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, once something crosses the event horizon, it's lost to the black hole forever, with no way to observe it from the outside. So what happens inside? Do objects simply get crushed into infinite density? Or is there something more? Are there wormholes or alternate dimensions hiding inside? Some scientists believe that quantum mechanics and general relativity might not be able to fully explain what happens within a black hole, and we may need a theory of quantum gravity to bridge the gap. 3. Why do we dream? Next up, dreams. We all do it. We sleep, we dream, but why? The scientific community has been pondering the purpose of dreams for centuries. Some of the earliest theories suggest that dreams were divine messages or omens. Today, however, there are numerous scientific theories as to why we dream. One of the most widely accepted theories is that dreams help us process emotions and memories. During REM sleep, the brain is believed to work on sorting and consolidating our experiences. Dreams might also help us deal with unresolved emotions or complex situations, acting like a form of emotional regulation. Another interesting theory is that dreams are a biological function that helps us rehearse survival strategies. In ancient times, our ancestors might have dreamed of escaping predators or navigating dangerous terrains. Dreaming could have been a way to mentally prepare for threats in the waking world. But there's still so much we don't know. Why do we have recurring dreams? Why do some people experience vivid symbolic dreams while others have fleeting, forgettable ones? What do dreams really mean? Until these questions are fully answered, dreaming remains one of life's greatest mysteries. 4. What is consciousness? Consciousness. The most personal yet most elusive of all mysteries. What does it mean to be aware of ourselves and the world around us? How does our brain create this sense of self, of I am? Despite tremendous advances in neuroscience, we still can't answer this question definitively. One theory suggests that consciousness arises from the complex network of neurons in the cerebral cortex, the outer layer of the brain responsible for processing sensory information. Others argue that consciousness could be a more emergent property, a result of all the brain's processes working together in concert. But no matter how we try to define it, consciousness remains deeply mysterious. How does the brain create the experience of self-awareness? How do we perceive and interpret reality? Why do we sometimes feel like we are living our life, and at other times it feels more like we are observing it? Until we can answer these questions, consciousness will remain one of the greatest unsolved enigmas in science. 5. How did life begin? One of the oldest and most profound mysteries. How did life begin? Life on Earth is incredibly diverse, with over 8 million species, from microscopic bacteria to towering trees. But how did this explosion of life start from simple molecules? Several theories have been proposed to explain the origin of life, including the abiogenesis theory, which suggests that life began when simple organic molecules came together under the right conditions to form more complex molecules like RNA or DNA. But the precise conditions that allowed this transition from non-living to living matter remain unknown. Did life begin in the primordial soup, a vast ocean of chemicals that existed billions of years ago? Or was life seeded from another planet or moon through a process known as panspermia? As we study astrobiology and explore other planets, we might find the answers to these questions. Or we might discover entirely new forms of life beyond Earth, which could change everything we know about the origin of life. As we explore these scientific mysteries, it becomes clear that we've only scratched the surface of what there is to discover. Each question that we've asked today is a gateway to more profound inquiries into the nature of the universe, consciousness, and life itself. These puzzles represent the frontier of human knowledge, pushing the boundaries of science, technology, and our very understanding of reality. While some of these mysteries may eventually be solved, others may remain tantalizing questions for generations to come. The fact that we're still wondering, still questioning, and still searching for answers is a testament to the power of curiosity, the drive that keeps humanity looking to the stars and beyond. If you've enjoyed diving into these enigmas, make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest scientific breakthroughs and mind-boggling mysteries. Who knows, the next discovery could bring us one step closer to solving these monumental questions. Until then, keep questioning and stay curious. If you love exploring the unknown, discovering the secrets of the universe, and diving into the wonders of science, make sure to subscribe to Why Be Curious. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our latest videos. Join our community of curious minds as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the world around us. Let's explore, learn, and grow together, because curiosity is the key to understanding everything we don't know.